Another way to create perspective or modify perspective in Photoshop is with Edit, Perspective Warp. So the way that works is, let's say I have a layer here, let's say this word chicken, it's already in perspective, and I will go into Edit, Perspective Warp, and basically the idea is you draw boxes. So you draw a box around what you want to affect. You make sure you click on Warp up here, and then there's this option, it looks like a number sign. You click on that, and then you can drag a corner and adjust the perspective based on how you drew that box. So here I can play with the perspective. You can hit escape if you want to get out of that. Here I'll do it on the image of Colonel Sanders. Here's a silhouette of his head. So it's the same idea. You go to Edit, select Perspective Warp, but what you can do is you can create multiple warps. So you can draw one box, and then you can draw another box, and what you have to do is get these two boxes close to each other, and then they'll just kind of snap together. So now I have two boxes and they snap together. Usually you'll see a blue line as you get close when you draw it to know that they're going to snap. And then what you can do is you can again click on Warp, click on the little number sign, and then if you drag an edge, it's going to basically give you this sense of perspective by moving multiple points based on your selection. So that's kind of a interesting way to create some perspective in the image. The straight lines will straighten out the perspective. So if you hit these vertical lines and the horizontal lines, it'll basically go back to something that does not have perspective, but it still may distort the image. And again, the number sign is kind of like a free form. It's like the little hash mark. That's more of a free form. So you can get some interesting distortions playing with this technique. And once you're done, you just double click or hit the check mark, and it will be set.